guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl here, Eco Jenny, and on this channel I bring to you lifestyle, DIY and motherhood content. So if you like videos like this, please do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. So in today's video we'll be making a leave-in hairspray from rosemary leaf, fenugreek, basil and aloe vera. When it comes to hair care, natural remedies can work wonders for your hair. Several herbs such as aloe vera, fenugreek, rosemary and basil offer a range of benefits for our hair, from promoting our hair growth and reducing hair fall to nourishing the scalp and combating dandruff. These herbs are powerhouses of healing properties, whether used in oil forms, masks or rinses. Incorporating these herbs into your hair care routine can result in healthier, shinier and more lustrous locks. So let's see the benefits of all these herbs together in our hair care routine. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. It has anti-inflammatory properties that also suits an irritated scalp. While basil, on the other hand, is a sweet-smelling herb that helps in improving blood circulation on your scalp and stimulates hair follicles, thereby helping in hair growth and reducing hair fall. Fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seeds are packed with protein, nicotinic acid and lectin, which strengthen the hair shaft, thereby reducing hair loss and adding shine to your hair. And the last one is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of healing properties. Aloe vera promotes hair growth and reduces hair fall by repairing dead skin cells on the scalp. It also combats dandruff, leaving your hair smooth and glossy and much more healthier. So try to incorporate these into your hair care routine and you'll see a very healthy hair on your crown. Now that we have seen the benefits of these herbs to our hair, let's make our leave-in hairspray. So I'll be needing 1 tablespoon of rosemary, a tablespoon of fenugreek seed, 1 tablespoon of basil leaf, you're going to need very hot water. Then you mix everything together and leave it overnight for best results. You know, when you leave it for longer period, the ingredients tend to be much more potent. I've already strained it. I forgot to record it when I was straining it. I'll now prepare my aloe vera. It's the next day. I use this cheesecloth to strain it, then I poured it into here. So my aloe vera is already in here, and this is what I got from the mixture. So I'm going to be adding few drops of vitamin E oil in here. So I add 10 drops of vitamin E oil. I'm also adding my peppermint essential oil. If I had tea tree, I would have added it too. So I add 10 drops of peppermint oil in as well. You can add any essential oil of your choice. It mustn't be peppermint oil, but I want to get that tingling feeling, so that's why I added peppermint oil. This is almond oil, so I'm adding a tablespoon. I know they say oil and water doesn't mix, but I need oil in this mixture. I want to add a little bit of biotin powder in here as well. So I'm going to add a pinch of biotin powder. So I'm adding like a 1/4 tablespoon. Then I mix it so that the powder would dissolve. I knew this was gonna be like this. I would have added it to the aloe vera when I was blending it. So I'm going to try to dissolve this off camera. So my mixture is ready. Now it's time to apply it to the hair. You can use you can apply this on freshly washed hair that you cornrow, or your protective styling that you have on. You can use it on it. You can also use this on kids and yourself, because it's all natural, so it's okay to be used on kids. And we also soaked our aloe vera in the water to remove the latex that makes the scalp to be itchy. Now it's time for us to apply this leave-in spray. So I'm going to show you how you apply it. After you finished everything, you turn it in a bottle like this. You just spray it, saturate it all over your hair. It's best done when you have a cornrow or you put your hair in a protective style. You can use this twice a week, or if you have the time, you can use it every day. But make sure that as you use it, when you're done with it, you moisturize your hair with a leave-in conditioner or moisturizer, so that your hair will not break off. You need to moisturize your hair after you apply this to your hair, in order to avoid any form of breakages, or in order to avoid your hair getting dried. So please do not forget that step of moisturizing your hair when you are done spraying this mixture. This protective style on for about a week now. Whenever you use this type of treatment, make sure you give your scalp very good massage, so that the blood will circulate and allow the mixture to do its work. If you have a scalp massage, that would even be better. The more the blood circulates, the better your scalp gets whatever treatment that you are applying to it. There is a slip in this mixture because of the aloe vera I've used in it. It's giving it a bit of a slip, which is good. So this mixture, you can save it in your refrigerator for up to a week, so that it doesn't go bad. But after a week, please do not use it anymore. If you still have it, just throw it away, because by that time the strength of the ingredients would have reduced, and you don't want any form of bacteria on your hair. So please throw it out and make another batch if you want to use more. Use my moisturizers and leave-in conditioner. I'm using Cantu Coily Activator Cream. I'm also using my Asayam Dry and Itchy Scalp Leave-in Conditioner. I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner judiciously here, so that I can avoid any form of dryness to my scalp and the hair. Still battling with hair fall, although it's reducing. As I use all these natural ingredients, it's reducing, but it's still there because my scalp is really damaged. I can feel the tingling of the peppermint oil on my scalp right now. So I'm using my oil to seal in everything, the mixture, the moisturizer, and the leave-in conditioner. So please don't forget this stage. Make sure you seal in the moisture. The key to seeing these improvements in your hair is consistency. So try to be consistent when you want to use these organic herbs that would help your hair. When you are consistent, you will definitely see results on your scalp and your hair. The hair is a bit wet because of the mixture, so I'll leave it to air dry because no heat for me at all. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Please do not forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. Please, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye for now. Mwah. Love you guys.
As the chemicals, they take us higher.